Wife share in property after divorce. Global legal perspectives. Welcome to Law Knowledge Factory. Today, we're exploring a crucial legal topic that affects millions worldwide: a wife share in property after divorce. Divorce laws differ across countries, and a wife's financial rights depend on factors like marital property laws, prenuptial agreements, judicial decisions, and the presence of children. Let's dive deep into how different legal systems handle this issue and discuss all possible legal grounds. Understanding property division after divorce when a marriage ends. Property division is one of the most contested issues. Different legal systems follow various models of property division. The two primary approaches are community property and equitable distribution. Community property. Assets acquired during the marriage are divided equally between spouses, 50-50. Equitable distribution. Assets are divided fairly based on factors such as financial contribution, earning capacity, and duration of marriage. Country-specific laws on wife's property rights after divorce. United States. 9 states, including California and Texas, follow community property laws, meaning everything acquired during the marriage is split equally. Other states follow equitable distribution, where courts consider factors like financial contribution, child care, and economic needs. Prenuptial agreements significantly impact property division as they can override default laws. United Kingdom courts follow equitable distribution, ensuring fairness over equality. Judges consider the wife's role as a homemaker or caregiver and financial dependency. Large settlements can be awarded, especially in long-term marriages. European Union in France, Germany, and Italy, property division depends on whether the couple opted for a community or separate property agreement. Courts often ensure a fair, but not necessarily equal distribution. India. No uniform marital property law. Typically, property remains with the legal owner unless otherwise agreed. Hindu Marriage Act allows financial compensation, but does not grant automatic property rights. Muslim law grants a woman mere hour, but does not ensure post-divorce property division. Christian and Parsi laws follow court-ordered financial settlements. China follows community property principles, meaning marital assets are usually split equally. If the wife financially contributed to acquiring property, she is entitled to a fair share. Middle Eastern countries. Islamic law. Sharia law generally does not entitle a wife to half the property unless stipulated in a contract. Nafaka, maintenance, is often granted, but property division depends on custom and agreements. Some countries like Tunisia and Turkey have more progressive laws granting women equal rights in marital assets. Africa. Many countries follow customary law, meaning traditions play a major role. Some nations, such as South Africa, use community property principles. Courts may award a wife a share of assets if she contributed financially or through domestic labor. Latin America. Countries like Brazil, Argentina, and Mexico follow community property laws. Assets acquired before marriage usually remain with the original owner. Key legal grounds for wife share in property. A wife's entitlement to property after divorce depends on multiple factors, including 1. Prenuptial or postnuptial agreements, a legally binding agreement signed before or during marriage that defines asset division. 2. Marital property versus separate property. Property acquired before marriage usually remains with the original owner, while marital assets are subject to division. 3. Children in custody arrangements. A wife with primary custody may receive additional financial support or property rights. 4. Financial contributions. Courts consider whether the wife contributed financially, including indirect contributions like homemaking. 5. Length of marriage. Long-term marriages often result in a larger share for the wife. 6. Economic dependence. If the wife was financially dependent, courts may award her a larger share to maintain stability. 7. Spousal maintenance or alimony. Many countries provide financial support to help a wife transition post-divorce. Challenges and exceptions in some cultures and legal systems. Gender biases exist, leading to unfavorable outcomes for women. In cases where a wife was financially independent, courts may award her minimal or no share in property. Some jurisdictions allow a wife to claim a share in her husband's business assets, especially if she contributed indirectly. If domestic abuse or infidelity is proven, Some legal systems adjust the division of assets accordingly. How wives can protect their property rights. 1. Ensure joint ownership of major assets having both spouses' names on property titles provides protection. 2. Understand local property laws. Knowledge of legal rights is crucial before entering a marriage or divorce. 3. Negotiate a fair prenuptial agreement. This can safeguard a wife's rights in case of divorce. 4. Seek legal advice. Early consulting a family law attorney ensures informed decision-making. 5. Maintain financial records documenting contributions to property and finances strengthens legal claims. Final thoughts. The division of property after divorce is complex and varies by country. Understanding legal rights is crucial for financial security. Always consult a legal expert when dealing with marital property disputes. Call to action if you want to stay informed about legal matters affecting families worldwide. Subscribe to Law Knowledge Factory. We simplify complex laws so you can make informed decisions. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and never miss an update. Help us spread legal awareness by sharing this video with your friends and family. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Have legal questions? We're here to answer them. See you in the next video.